Welcome to Big Bear Trailers in Oundle, Northamptonshire. Today we've got a review for you on the HULCO plant trailer. This one just so happens to be triple axle with a 1 metre high full width rear ramp. I'm just going to come out of shot and give you some of the technical spec while Kate hones in, but really nice construction. Comes with an aluminium floor as standard. This one is a bed of 12 foot 11 by 5 foot 10, which in metric is 394 by 180, 3,500 kilograms gross with a load carrying capacity of 2595. And as I say, this one's got the 1 metre loading ramp. If I come back into shot at the front here, so just some nice features in terms of tie down points and a bucket rest here at the front. Auto lift jockey wheel, so with this one you just keep winding, this pin comes up, hits the collar and folds up. So once you're used to this style of jockey wheel, you'll never ever want to go back to the more traditional where you have to clamp off and put the pin and what have you. So really nice heavy duty construction. If I come back down, you'll see an aluminium planking bed all the way through, and then you've got tie down points all the way down the bed. You can add a ladder rack on the front if you want to, as well as that. This one, I say, triple axle, but they do a twin axle model in exactly the same dimensions. So your preference, we can cater for on that. And then nice and straightforward with the ramp at the back here. We've got a pin on each side. So just bring that over. They are supported by spring action, so you haven't got you're not carrying all the weight. You've also got the rest there as well. So let's just open that up. So nice and grippy. So for loading, really low profile, nice and grippy ramp, and then you're up and on. As I say, loads of tie down points, so it's a pleasure. And this one, just having the aluminium floor, compares to most manufacturers that are running the phenolonic board, and it's served its time and time again. But over time, if you do cut it up at all, it does then start to deteriorate, water gets into it. So with the aluminium, you've got a fantastic long life, and it's not going to cut up and start deteriorating after a fairly short space of time. Number plate holder obviously on the back here, but just a cracking bit of kit. So for a plant trailer, you've just got some really nice features in there. HULCO is linked, so you've got HULCO and Anssems, part of the same group, family company, manufacturing in Germany and Holland. And this, the sort of HULCO brand, is the best-selling brand in the whole of Holland. So you get that sort of nature of quality manufacture of the European and German manufacturers, but very well regarded over there as well. Now, if we can help further, my name's Ian, or the team here can also help. We're Big Bear Trailers in Oundle, Northamptonshire, and our phone number here, 01832 770 888. Thanks for your time. Bye now.